Good morning, everyone. Welcome, viewers, for another topic in Learn with Basic Electronics with Trainer JR. Today, what we're going to be studying is Ohm's Law. The law that explains the proportional effect of the three electrical quantities in electronics or electricity, which is current, voltage, and resistance. So let's start with the formula. The formula is I is equivalent to V over R, a formula which explains the effect of changes of these three quantities. So practically what Ohm's law states and what the formula simply explains is that there is a proportional effect for every values that changes in a simple electrical circuit similar to this one. So what does I is equal to V over R means? It simply means that whenever voltage increases, current also increases. And whenever resistance increases, current decreases. Which means that current is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance, which simply means that whenever resistance increases, the amount of current that flows to a given circuit decreases. And if a resistance decreases, the amount of current increases. For the voltage and resistance, whatever happens to the voltage, the current follows. So if the voltage decreases, current decreases. So let's further explain this formula using a given example. For these examples, we have a source of 12 volts. We have a load resistance of 12 ohms. So whenever a 12 volt source is applied to a 12 volt load resistance, if we're going to use the formula, the amount of current that will flow through the circuit is 1 ampere. Now what will happen if the source voltage doubles? So from 12 volts to 24 volts. So if we're going to use the formula now, we can now solve for the amount of current that flows to the circuit. So for this particular example, our source voltage increased and the resistance remains constant. So if we're going to divide 24 volts by 12 volts, our answer is 2 amperes. So the source voltage increased, the amount of current also increased from 1 amp to 2 amperes. What about resistance? If the resistance doubled, or if the resistance increased from 12 to 24 ohms, what will be the effect? So 24 volts divided by 24 ohms, and the current decreased from 2 amperes to 1 ampere. So that's what Ohm's law simply explains. In my experience, most of the time, what students simply encounters as a problem is how to remember the formula as provided by Ohm's law. So here I have already written something. This is quite an example of how we can easily remember a formula whenever we're looking for a missing value in our given circuit. For this example, what is missing is the amount of current that flowed around through this circuit. So how do we compute for I? So using this simple example, the only thing that we need to do to determine the Apple formula is to block what is missing, which is I, and the formula is already there, which is V over R, which means that we only need to divide 100 volts by 50 ohms in order to determine the current I, which is 100 divided by 50, 2 amperes. So what about if the voltage is missing and current is given? Let's say that the current is 3 amps and the source voltage is missing. For this example, what we need to do is only to block the letter V, because that's what we're looking for, which is the source voltage, and multiply I times R. For this particular example, we only need to multiply 50 ohms times 3 amperes, which is equivalent to 150 volts. So what about if we're looking for the load resistance? So for the load resistance, the same thing applies. So you only need to block R, and the formula now is V over I, or 300 volts divided by 3 amperes, which is equivalent to 100 ohms. So the amount of resistance present in the circuit is 100 ohms. So that's all for today. I hope that for these few minutes that you have eventually viewed this video, you have learned something.